This has been something that they've been really interested in because it's different. They've grown up until the age of 10 and 11 using conventional sports, and perhaps have become disengaged with them, but because this is different, they keyed into it straight away, and it's a little bit trendy now as well.
And the girls who already go to the dance schools outside of school were very, very interested straight away and are very enthusiastic about using them. And as soon as we say we've got them coming in, they get really excited.